Did you know the most expensive toolbox on a job site usually belongs to the guy who knows the least? Picture this. Fresh-faced rookie shows up day one looking like he robbed a tool catalog. Digital levels, laser measures, color-coded everything. Meanwhile, the old-timers are watching with their beat-up tape measures and rusty wrenches, trying not to laugh. First pipe fitting, rookie's got 3 different measuring devices out, calculating angles like he's launching a rocket. Takes him 20 minutes. Old-timer eyeballs it, cuts once, perfect fit, every time. Then comes welding time. Rookie's adjusting his fancy machine for 10 minutes, reading manuals. Veteran fires up his ancient welder that sounds like it's dying, lays down a bead so clean it belongs in a museum. The rookie's got his tools organized by color and size. The crew chief reaches into his messy box without looking, pulls out exactly what he needs. Finally, the kid swallows his pride and asks for help. That's when he learns the most valuable lesson in the trades. Your brain and your hands are worth more than any tool you can buy. Did you know the fastest way to fail a weld inspection is trying to rush it? Here's what happened when management learned that lesson the hard way. Picture this. Boss storms onto the job site screaming that a critical weld needs to be done right now because the client's coming for inspection. The crew tries explaining that proper prep work and welding procedures take time, but he's not hearing it. Just figure it out, he says. So they show him exactly why rushing doesn't work. First, they demonstrate how hurrying the cleaning process leads to contamination that'll fail inspection instantly. Then they show how skipping proper tack welds creates alignment issues that look terrible. Finally, they prove how rushing the actual welding creates defects that any inspector will catch immediately. Each shortcut he wanted would have created expensive rework and major delays. Meanwhile, their slow, systematic approach was actually saving time by doing it right the first time. The best part? They delivered a perfect weld exactly when they originally promised. Boss finally realized his pressure would have made everything take longer, not faster. Did you know there's one tool that can solve almost any problem on a job site? 2 tradesmen found out the hard way. Mike swears by his hammer, says it's the most versatile tool ever made. But his buddy Jake, he's got other ideas. Watch this, Jake says, firing up his angle grinder. First, he cuts through a stubborn piece of rebar, then cleans rust off some old pipe. Mike's not impressed yet, but then Jake starts getting creative. He bevels pipe edges for a perfect fit, removes old welds like butter, smooths out rough surfaces that would take forever with sandpaper. He even pops open a paint can when they can't find the opener. Okay, that's actually pretty slick, Mike admits. By lunch, they've used that grinder for 8 different jobs. Jake's making it look easy, but here's the thing. He's been running grinders for 15 years. The tool might be versatile, but the skill? That takes time to master. And proper safety gear every single time. Mike's still keeping his hammer, though. Some things never change on the job site. Did you know the most dangerous person on a job site isn't the guy with the torch? It's the fresh engineer with a stack of printouts. Picture this. New graduate shows up, clipboard ready, telling a 30-year pipe fitter his spacing is wrong. The engineer's got calculations. The pipe fitter's got something better. He knows steel grows when it gets hot. Then our book-smart hero walks over to the welder, starts lecturing about material specs. Meanwhile, this welder's been running beads since before the engineer could spell metallurgy. He knows exactly how each alloy acts when the weather changes. But here's the twist. That engineer's load calculations, they actually matter. Those safety margins, they save lives. And when the crew realizes the new guy isn't trying to replace them, something beautiful happens. The pipe fitter teaches thermal expansion. The welder shares field wisdom. The engineer explains why those numbers matter. Suddenly, you've got theoretical knowledge backing up practical experience. The best projects happen when the guy with the degree learns from the guy with the scars, and the guy with the scars respects the guy with the math.